The Audi A8 D4 from 2010 to 2017 is packed with features not immediately obvious. This video unlocks hidden functionalities, tips, and tricks to maximize your ownership experience. Despite its age, the D4 boasts impressive technology ripe for exploration. The Multimedia Interface, or MMI, is the central control system for your Audi A8 D4's infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. To access hidden menus, simultaneously hold the Setup and Car buttons on your center console. These hidden menus unlock customization options, including fuel efficiency displays, tire pressure monitoring in the instrument cluster, and access to system diagnostics. These are valuable hidden options that let you monitor and customize your vehicle without needing expensive dealer visits. For example, access detailed tire pressure information directly through these menus. Master your A8's Quattro all-wheel drive system. While automatic by default for optimal traction, experiment with manual lock activation for enhanced traction in snow. Adaptive air suspension allows ride height adjustments for different conditions. Select trims even have a hidden off-road mode for light terrain. Optimize your drive for any environment. These features are available and easy to use with practice. The Audi A8 D4 features advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring that can be customized beyond factory settings. The blind spot monitoring system uses sensors in the side mirrors to detect vehicles in your blind spots. You can recalibrate these sensors through hidden service menus, which helps maintain accuracy and avoids costly dealer visits. To access these customizations, navigate to the car's service menus using specific button combinations. Here, you can find reset codes for the adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring systems, preventing the need for expensive dealer interventions. The adaptive cruise control system automatically adjusts your speed to maintain safe following distances. Combined with blind spot monitoring, these systems provide enhanced safety and can be fine-tuned through the service menus for optimal performance. Save money on maintenance by understanding key intervals and using approved parts. For gasoline models, know the 40,000-mile service interval for timing belt changes to prevent costly failures. Using Audi-approved fluids is critical to prevent premature wear and maintain performance. A simple trick to reset service reminders is disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes, bypassing dealer fees. However, proceed with caution, as this may reset other components as well. ECU remapping allows enthusiasts to unlock hidden power in the Audi A8 D4 using diagnostic tools like VCDS. For diesel models, this can provide significant power gains of 20 to 50 horsepower. You can also adjust throttle response for a more sporty driving feel. However, any modifications carry the risk of damaging factory components and should be approached with care. Since the vehicle is out of warranty, there's no risk of voiding manufacturer coverage. Audi A8 D4 owners have discovered numerous community hacks that enhance functionality and security. These modifications are shared through online forums and provide practical solutions for everyday use. One popular hack is accessing the hidden valet mode in the MMI system. This feature limits vehicle speed to 80 miles per hour and disables trunk access, making it ideal when lending your car to others like valets or family members. To activate it, navigate to MMI settings, hold Setup and Car buttons simultaneously, enter developer options, then enable valet mode. Beyond valet mode, community members share tips for enabling fuel efficiency displays, customizing instrument cluster layouts, recalibrating blind spot monitoring sensors, and resetting service reminders without dealer visits. These hacks help optimize your driving experience and reduce maintenance costs. Forums like AudiWorld serve as treasure troves of these user-discovered tips and tricks. With over 500 reported successful valet mode implementations alone, these community resources continue to extend the A8 D4's capabilities and longevity. To future-proof your A8 D4, consider hybrid conversions using aftermarket kits to extend the vehicle's usability. Stay informed about community-driven patches that fix software vulnerabilities in older ECUs. AI-integrated diagnostic apps like VCDS Mobile are becoming standard for remote troubleshooting of hidden faults. By 2030, expect parts availability to diminish, which will boost the value of well-maintained original D4 models. Keep your vehicle in excellent condition through regular maintenance to maximize its lifespan.